Good morning. This is Professor Bauer. Welcome to week number 7. I trust that all of you are still alive to talk about your saga of week number 6 and finishing the paper. I know some of you are streaking and stretching to get it in. We'll talk about that. I got my shot. It was wonderful. My arm was a little sore, but boy, that was it. Thank you so much for being understanding to a strange and crazy schedule. If you think that is going to influence my grading, you're exactly right. So anyway, just a real quick note, just kind of a setup for tomorrow night's class, and in terms of what we're going to be doing. The goal is to have the week 6 papers graded by them. And so we'll do some feedback. What went well? What needs improvement? I've taught this class a few times, so I always say I had to tell you so. But why do people say that? They say it because they love to tell you so. Somehow, telling you so makes me feel better that it didn't catch us by surprise. So, how to improve the papers, these papers, and then how to do the independent papers. You don't have to merge all this until week 10. So we'll work on that tomorrow night for the class. We'll get deep down into the week of 7. I'm Italian here. The week 7 assignment for security. It's a standalone submission, but it is going to be folded into the overall portfolio, and so we'll talk about that. Why is security, how is it represented in the architecture layer? How do we apply concepts of security to the case study? That's important. When this case study was first written, the 9.2 spec wasn't out. And so we were kind of wandering, but we have this special document along with 9.2 that should give us some help along the way. Anyway, make sure you get a sense of what the TOGAF 9.2 changes have made, especially as they refer to specs like ISO 27001, 31000, and the NIST cybersecurity framework, and their 5 related areas: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. And so we'll contribute to the class discussion Tuesday night. Make sure you get the readings done just so we can talk about them. Do look over the TOGAF, integrating risk and security within a TOGAF enterprise architecture. It's in the G drive, and you make sure, if you're not going to be able to read much, read chapters 2 and 3, but you are going to absolutely need to reference this doc in your paper. It's absolutely vital, okay? Here's the solution, the assignment. Write a paper explaining. It's 750 words and 1,000 words max, so don't make it too lengthy. We'll talk about this Tuesday night in detail. The rubric is still your friend, and we'll talk about that, and hopefully you'll have some questions for me on Tuesday. This is kind of a mix of the in-class deck and the roadmap deck. But anyway, have a great week. We will, quote, see you tomorrow night. Bye-bye now.